Hello everyone and welcome back. So what I'm talking today all about is this concept is so important for you to understand, and this neuroscience behind it, because the decisions you're making today are utterly important, but how they are getting affected from this particular concept, I will explain you all. Watch this video till end and you will learn insights about this particular topic, how this topic works and how you can improve yourself. Before I do all that, a big thank you for all these new subscribers, followers, and I truly appreciate your subscription, your following, and I would do my best to do much better videos in the future, and I hope they're adding some values into your life. So with that, let's get started. So this concept is your future self. Yes, people would get surprised, what am I all talking about? But neuroscience has shown if you're able to see yourself in the future, let's say you can put it as a 3 years, you can put it as a 5 years, it's your personal choice, or 10 years, that helps you and affects you. Now listen to this very carefully, your decision making today. Yes, so you have to plan your things for the future today. So that's why it's a very important to understand this concept of future self. Future self is the mental image you give to yourself, right? It's a mental image what you want to achieve in your life, in the areas you want to achieve. So as we all know, we have a different memory systems. So what you are today could be a result of what you have thought yourself 8 to 10 years back, but you might have not realized it. Your subconscious mind work differently. The neuroscience says that there are some brain areas, I would not go into too much details, get activated when you do these exercise. I will just show you, explain it to you, that exercise which you could do. So I want you to sit by yourself, and if you want, you can put some light music where you are completely relaxed and you're able to analyze your current situations in your life, right? How you are, what you're doing, are you satisfied or not? Now I want you to close your eyes if you want to, or you can keep them open. See an image for your future self. Let's say you want to see in some particular house or any of that nature, or you want to achieve and go. So now when you are doing this exercise, your brain, some of the areas are getting super activated at the same time, because now they'll be looking for areas where you will be able to achieve whatever you have thought of in much better way, and the decision making for the current situation, the present moment, becomes electrified, right? Even more result oriented. So studies have shown in Stanford universities, there was research done, the more we are able to see our future self on the regular basis, the more emotionally we connect with them, and the more right decisions we are able to make it today. So remember that this is a very important exercise if you really want to achieve your goals, and if you want to see yourself in successful state after 5 to 10 years or 3 years, I would recommend at least do 3 years so you can write down what you're saying. The one small daily alignment of asking yourself this powerful question will put you in the state of self-image, and a positive one. So this is what choice will you make today would help you literally and help you to make your life easier for the future self. So if you keep asking that question and again, I can assure you that you will be able to plan out your goals well, and you'll be able to make a good emotional connection with your own self, which is kind of little, people say that's not important, but I feel that's a very important if you want to achieve something in your life. So your future self isn't some stranger, it is you in the future, right? Your self-image in the future. So it is waiting for you to build choices what you make today, and the more you feel connected to your future self, you will become the best version of yourself in whichever way you want to become, right? So brain becomes activated and starts to make right decisions for you. So I hope you like this topic of future self and how you can go about it. Try this exercise, do it, and write down in the comment how did you feel about your future self and are you feeling connected to it or not, or do multiple times. All right, thank you for being with me today. Thank you for watching this video. I shall be back again, and I shall see you all next week with another new video and new topic. Till then, you all have a wonderful time.